Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Judge.
It is now 9:02, time to call the 9 o'clock docket. Case number 605-192, State versus Gabriel Landa. Attorney Greg Desmarais.
Good morning, Your Honor. Present for Mr. Landa. I've just got appointed. I have not had any contact with him. I'm still searching for him. I don't believe.
Are you available in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna let you have 2 weeks to find him.
Thank you, Judge.
You got anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You're excused. 617-878, State versus Jacqueline Gonzalez Trevino. Dante Dominguez is attorney. Dante Dominguez, no response. Jacqueline Gonzalez Trevino is absent. Scheduled for a plea, 623-805, State versus Michael Fonseca, attorney. Douglas Kapmeyer. Douglas Kapmeyer, no response. Michael Fonseca, absent. 624-171, State versus Richard Lopez, attorney. Angela Blake.
Richard Lopez here, sir.
Judge,
Good morning.
Angela Blake's running late. She's in another court.
All righty. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
624-553, State versus Megan Fain, attorney. Paul Smith.
Yes, sir.
Megan Fain, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Paul Smith, have you heard from your attorney?
Yes, sir. He said he's gonna be joining soon. He's in another courtroom.
All righty. We'll wait for him. 624-582, State versus Christopher Lawrence, attorney. Adam Sabrin.
Here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Lawrence.
Good morning.
Have you heard from your attorney?
Not yet, sir.
All right, then I'll show him with no response. Nothing, Patty?
No, sir.
624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez. Catherine Valenzuela. Catherine Valenzuela, no response.
Judge, that case got reset. Attorney Valenzuela's on vacation. It got reset to 10/13.
Okay. Then we are reset on Ms. Gutierrez. Two 432, State versus Ana Castillo Segovia, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Barrera.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Castillo Segovia. Where are you?
I'm right here.
There you are. Do you go normally by Ana Castillo? No, you do have both Castillo Segovia. Mr.
Both.
Barrera, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, I'd like to confer.
You'll be
And
number one to confer.
Thank you,
Good
Judge. I
morning,
also
Mike.
have two more.
Good morning, my prosecutors. Ms. Pollard, are you available?
Good morning, Judge. I'm available.
Good morning. Would you please start conferring with Mr. Ivan Barrera?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Barrera, do you have any other cases?
Yes, Judge, I have two more. Cause number 636-524. It's on the second page. It's under Paul Vasquez.
It's under Paul Vasquez. There you are. Ivan Barrera.
And on this one, Judge, Mr. Thomas Ainsworth, he's currently in jail in Ector County, so he will not be joining us.
Which is the third one?
And the third one is 663-779. It's on page 5.
Six, 663. 779.
Sorry.
All right, you will confer on all three of them, sir.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, I have a plea at 9:30, just in case I have to leave. May my clients be excused?
You may have, yes, you may, Castillo Segovia. You are excused at this time, ma'am. Your attorney will be doing the work today.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.
Now, Mr. Barrera, you said somebody would not be joining us. Which court was that? Case was that?
This was 636-524.
Did we account for that already? That's the last one?
No, Judge, the last one was Kimberly Holland, 663-779.
So we have 636. All right, 636.
524.
Thomas Ainsworth. In
Yes, Judge.
in jail. Out of county.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. Okay, you may proceed to confer. 629-547, State versus Sonia Gonzalez, attorney. Clayton Littlefield. Attorney Clayton Littlefield. No response. Sonia Gonzalez, absent. Page 2. Six, 3-1-5-2-4, State versus Christian Ortiz. Ed Piker.
Morning, Judge. I'm trying to get a hold of him. This one's my fault.
Hey, I'm right here.
Oh, good, good. I didn't know if you got the info or not because I let you know late. So I'd like to confer with the DA.
Mr. Piker, you're number 2 to confer.
All right.
Ms. Haas, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Yeah.
Would you please start conferring with Mr. Ed Piker?
Yes, sir.
Thank you both for being here on time, gentlemen. Please, 632-689, State versus Jesse Chapa, attorney Jesus Lopez.
Judge, I have Mr. Chapa here in the courtroom.
Thank you, Deputy.
Mhm.
Mr. Jesus Lopez, attorney. No response. Mr. Chapa, thanks for being here on time. We'll get to you as soon as your attorney gets here. 634-073, State versus Ramiro Rosell, attorney. Frank Sandoval Jr.
President, Judge, this is Ramiro. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Rosell. Frank Sandoval Jr., no response.
I'm
here, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, well, thank you. What are your wishes this morning? What are your intentions?
Your Honor, if he is present, I'll be happy to confer with the state.
He is present. We'll make you number 3 to confer. The first 2 already starting to confer.
I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. 634-348, State versus Claudia Coronado, attorney. Joe Stenberg.
Howdy,
Joe
Your-
Stenberg.
howdy, Your
Joe
Honor.
Stenberg.
We're ready.
Good morning, Joe.
Good morning to you. And if I could confer, please, but this time I do not think I need a bailiff.
I beg your pardon?
I don't think I need a bailiff to go in the breakout room with me this morning.
I see. Claudia Coronado,
Yes, I'm present.
good morning, ma'am. Thank you both
Good
for being
morning.
on time. Mr. Stenberg, you're number 4. You'll be coming up pretty quick.
All right.
634-722, State versus Francisco Perez, attorney. Catherine Valenzuela, you said she's on vacation, Patty?
Yes, sir.
Francisco Perez, in case you're here, he's probably told he's on vacation.
No, you.
636-524, that's Thomas Ainsworth. That is the one that Mr. Barrera informed us will not be here. Six, 687, State versus Matthew James, attorney. Gregory Van Cleve.
Judge, it's Elizabeth Russell for Gregory Van Cleve, and she will log on momentarily. She's in County Court 1.
Present, sir.
Thank you for being on time, Mr. James.
Yes, sir.
You heard the announcement from my coordinator. 640-631, State versus Enrique Salazar, attorney. Jesus Lopez.
I have Mr. Salazar here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Jesus Lopez. No response at this time. On page 3. 644-032, State versus James Flowers, attorney. Ed Piker.
I have Mr. Flowers here in the courtroom, Judge.
Courtroom. Thank you, Deputy.
Yes, sir.
Ed Piker, I think he conferring, I think.
Yes, sir.
All right, I should have asked him if he had something else. We'll show him present. Let's make sure he knows he's got Ms. Flowers here. 644-257, State versus Jeremy Kofer, attorney. Ashley Morgan.
Judge, Attorney Terry Carter came and announced in the courtroom for Ashley Morgan. She's going to be in County Court 14, jury selection. She was requesting resets, but she will try and contact the court before, if she gets a break. Are we
talking about Ms. Morgan or are we talking about Ms. Carter?
Terry Carter is announcing for
Right.
Ashley Morgan.
Ms. Morgan's in a jury trial?
I guess, Judge, she just said that Terry's going to be in County Court 14.
All right.
She was in 14.
Thank you. 644-302, State versus Daniel Duran, attorney. Gail Calderola.
Here, Judge.
Good morning, sir. Have you heard from Gail Calderola?
No, sir, not since the last time when her mother had passed away.
All right, no response from Ms. Calderola. 644-823, State versus Barbara Taylor, attorney. George Sharman, the second. George Sharman, the second, no response.
No.
Barbara Taylor,
Barbara Taylor is here, Judge. Mr. Sharman is running a little bit late.
she's in the courtroom?
No, she's here, present on Zoom.
Okay. Very good. Thank you for being here, Ms. Taylor.
Thank you.
645-853, State versus Allison Long, attorney Renee Munoz.
Yes, Judge, present with counsel. Allison.
Yes, I'm here.
If
Good
we
morning
could,
to you both. Thank you for being on time.
Of course,
Mr.
Judge.
Munoz,
Yes, Judge. If
what are
we
your
could-
wishes for this morning?
If we could confer with the state, Your Honor, it'd be much appreciated.
You are listed for conferring, sir.
Thanks, Judge. And I have another case. It's on page 6, Dolores Salinas, just in case I'm in the breakout room and it's called. And I do not believe she's present, Judge, on that case.
You don't believe what?
I don't believe she's present here on the Zoom.
$20 a month, like this table with 4 side chairs and your choice of colors, or this counter height table with 4 stools.
What's the name?
Dolores Salinas.
What's the case number? Oh, there it is. All right. I'm marking you present. Dolores Salinas. 668835. Marking her absent as of this time. If you see or hear from Mr. Munoz, let us know.
Will do, Judge. Thank you.
646117, State versus Star Garza. Attorney Justin Andrews.
I have Ms. Garza here in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good. Good morning, Ms. Garza.
Good
In
morning.
the courtroom. We'll wait for Ms. Andrews, but as of right now, she's no response. Cases number 646415, 646476, State versus Nikki Purcell. Attorney
Judge.
Melissa Christian.
Judge Attorney, Melissa Christian's on vacation. Those cases got reset to October 20th.
All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes,
Ivan Barrera here. I have an announcement on my cases.
hold on. Ivan, do me a courtesy and wait till I finish the docket. It won't be long.
Of course, Judge.
Go on to page 4. 648328, State versus Vincent Villalpando. Attorney Michael Valachek.
Good morning, Judge. Mr. Villalpando, I see is on Zoom, and I'd like to confer on his case.
You are on the list to confer, sir.
I have another client this morning, Judge, that I have not been able to contact.
Case number.
658492 and 668153. That's Jerry Hernandez.
658.
Judge,
492.
At the bottom of page 5.
Jerry Hernandez. Michael Valachek is present. Mr. Hernandez, 668153 and 658492. Jerry Hernandez is absent. We'll refer to him in a little bit. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're on the list to confer. 650379, State versus Selene Hernandez. Marisa Ayon is attorney.
Present, Your Honor. I'm not sure if Ms. Hernandez is in the courtroom. I do not see her on the list on Zoom.
Not in the courtroom.
Selene Hernandez is marked absent at this time.
Judge, I also have Crystal Boston. She was not called, but I just wanted to let the court know that she's present. We just had to finish submitting the PTD agreement for the DA signature. And if
What is the case number on her?
her case number is 637823.
It's not on the docket, you said?
I didn't see it, but she had been reset just to make sure that we had gotten the pretrial diversion accepted and signed. It has been sent back to Beatrice Chavez,
Okay, and it's Crystal what?
Boston.
Like the city?
Yes.
We'll check that out for you after a while. Meantime, what are you gonna do this morning with Ms. Hernandez?
I'll have my office try and get a hold of her, see if she can get onto Zoom.
All right,
And if there's nothing else for Miss Boston, if she can be excused.
why don't we wait a couple of minutes so we can double check?
Okay.
653-129, State versus Adan Hernandez, and that is Derek Ritchie,
Yes,
attorney.
Sydney Reader.
Hello.
Hi. Can I be placed in line to confer with the prosecutor, please?
You're here for Derek Ritchie,
Yes.
REED.
Yes.
Is Mr. Hernandez here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you both for being on time. You are on the list to confirm, ma'am.
Thank you.
653-544, State versus Jonathan Terrell. Attorney Andres Campion.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present and Mr. Terrell is also present via Zoom. We would like to confer with the state.
You're on the list to confer, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Mr. Barrera. Ivan Barrera.
Judge, he stepped out. He went to other courts to take
Right.
those pleas.
Right.
He'll be right back.
I just realized that he had that other court. 653-576, State versus Joshua Garcia. Oscar Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, since the last court date, I don't have any contact with my client. His phone is out of order. However, we can't move forward on this case because we have still not uploaded any Bexar County Sheriff videos, and they are indicated in the report. If you can simply give us a reset, and I'll reach out to the bonding agency to get a new update for my client.
I'll give you a 30-day reset.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Stay safe.
As well.
653-774, State versus Victor Miranda. Judge Robert Barons. Robert Barons.
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm fine. Judge, I was not provided with a phone number when I was appointed to Mr. Miranda. So I can attempt to contact his bondsman. I don't know if he's on pretrial or a bond, but we'll try to find out.
All right, Judge, I'll give you 30 days to see if you can track him down.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Six, 56801, State versus Daniel Creedon, and the attorney is Charles Sierra.
Morning, Judge. I'm here and so is my client. I just want to, we're supposed to do a plea. I want to confirm with the ADA. I had worked it out with Edelman, but if you can put me in line just to confirm that we've got a deal.
You are on the list to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
657-466, State versus Maria Ramos Espinosa, attorney Julie Pollack. Maria Ramos Espinosa, supposed to be a plea. Julie Pollack. No response at this time. Ms. Ramos Espinosa is absent. 6577.
No, I'm here. I couldn't hear you.
Okay. Ms. Ramos Espinosa?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you heard from your attorney?
I got a lawyer. His name is Efrain Torres, but he is at a court meeting right now.
So you hired somebody
Yes, sir.
and he is not present.
I actually messaged him and he's at court right now.
All right. We'll wait for him to appear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for being here. 657756. State versus Hussein.
Al-Karagoli.
Pardon me?
Al-Karagoli, Your Honor.
Al-Kaguli.
Yes, sir.
Are you he? Attorney Jody Sawyers.
Judge, that's the same thing. Terry Carter is announcing for her. And Terry Carter is in County Court 14. She'll come back after a break.
They're probably putting the jury together.
Actually, Judge, I'm here. We did not end up picking in County Court 14. Another case went before ours, so I'm here back checking in. I did send the state an email. There's still some additional discovery that we're requesting. This is our second pretrial conference setting. I would ask to reset this for one more pretrial so that I can continue to confer with Ms. Morgan.
You need to complete discovery.
That is correct, Judge.
All right. How much time do you need?
If I could have 30 days, Judge, I'm trying to confirm also if the state has had any contact with the complainant.
So it shall be 30-day reset.
I apologize, Judge. What was that?
You and your client are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
660-289-660-291, State versus Ramon Avila and attorney Jocelyn Andrews. No response from Ms. Andrews. Ramon Avila. Absent. 662-159 versus Andrea Martinez, attorney Elizabeth Settle.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present. I just need to get an offer from the DA. I can either confer this morning or attempt it by email, whichever you would prefer.
Well, why don't you try and do it today, this morning, since you're here.
Right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
That was my client, Judge.
Thank you both for being here. 663-477, State versus Roberto Barron. Attorney Dylan George.
I have
Good
Mr.
morning,
Barron in the courtroom, Judge.
In the courtroom?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Mr. George.
I'd like to confer, Judge.
You are listed. You're on the list for conferring. 663-779, State versus Kimberly Holland. Attorney Ivan Barrera. We've already taken care of that. 665-576, State versus Maria Burketti. Pardon me, Burkett. And that's Stephanie Esparza as attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Ms. Burkett is on the Zoom as well under Maria Sosa.
Where's she at?
Excuses.
Ms. Sosa, say something, please.
Would I rather you drink all of the fuck liver, or would I rather?
All right. And your wishes this morning?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
You are on the list to confirm, ma'am.
Thank you.
665-978, State versus Fernando Gonzalez, attorney David Garcia.
Judge, that got reset. Attorney's on vacation. Got reset to 10:20.
Already. Six 6 8 1 5 3 Jerry Hernandez, Michael Valachek already answered on that. Mr. Hernandez, are you present? 666-266, State versus Adriel Dominguez, and the attorney is Michael White.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Michael
Yes,
White.
sir, I'm here as well.
And
Very good.
Your Honor, I'd like to speak to a prosecutor to confer.
You're on the list to confer.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Page 666-8344, State versus Corey Cortez, attorney, Matthew Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Cortez also is on 668-953. I'd like to get a reset. I've not had any contact with him. I've been on this case for just about a month, and most of that I was out with COVID. So if I could just get some more time to contact him, but the numbers I have are disconnected or don't work.
So you're a COVID survivor, huh?
2 times, Your Honor.
Really? Well, I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you, sir.
So we have on Cortez. I'm sorry, I was looking for the other number. What do you announce?
668-953.
Yeah, I've got the other one, but what's the announcement on both cases?
I need a reset on both to get in touch with the client.
I'll give you 30 days on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And I believe you're excused now. 668-755, State versus Manuel Tavira, and attorney Joel Richardson.
Good morning, Judge. I have Mr. Tavira here in the courtroom.
Hi, Mr. Tavira. Judge, I just got appointed a few days ago. Mr. Tavira, can you make sure you send me your telephone number and address so I can email address? I can give that to you. Did you want us to confer, Judge, or just come back in a week for a reset?
Why don't we recall you in 1 week, give you a chance to look at it.
Okay.
Judge, I can put him in a breakout room with his client.
Judge, I've got to be down there at 11 in person. I can meet Mr. Tavira in person around 11 o'clock if you want me to show up in your courtroom at about 11 o'clock.
If you're going to be at the courthouse, that'll be fine.
Okay, may I, Mr. Tavira, do you want to meet me there at County Court 5 around 11 o'clock?
Sure.
Okay,
All
I'll
right.
meet you there in person, business card, and we'll talk about your case, and then we'll see what happens.
All
Thank
right.
you, Judge. I'll be down there in a few minutes. Thank you.
668-772, State versus Guadalupe Salazar, no attorney. Guadalupe Salazar, absent at this time. 668-800, State versus Justin Munoz, no attorney.
I have Mr. Munoz here in the courtroom, Judge.
All righty. Mr. Munoz, can you hire an attorney?
I was going to get a court appointed.
Mr. Justin Munoz, are you able to hire an attorney?
No, sir.
All right, then Deputy Castillo, would you assist Mr. Munoz by giving him the forms for application for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Don't leave until we're through with you, Mr. Munoz. Anyone by the name of George Sharman II, please respond.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize for being late. Ms. Taylor's here. She was timely. I would not. We are missing some Coban videos and the laboratory diskettes, Judge. So I'm going to continue to monitor the discovery in this case, and I can confer with the state by email or telephone.
All right, then we'll go ahead and reset you 30 days at this point.
Thank you, Judge. Is Miss Taylor excused?
Yes, she is.
All right.
You're
I
both
appreciate-
excused. Thank you. Six 851 State versus Angela Garcia. Excuse me, attorneys Eric Reynolds. Attorney Eric Reynolds, no response. Angela Garcia, marked absent at this time. 668868 State versus Michael Dominic, attorney Paul Anderson. Paul Anderson, no response. Defendant Michael Dominic, absent. 668887 State versus Guillermo Roque, attorney William Brooks.
Morning, Judge. We are here, Judge. I was able to get some good contact information, spoke with my client yesterday. It is our first setting, Judge. If we could have one more setting, I think it's something we actually may resolve.
Right. We'll reset you 45 days for disposition.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Roque and I be used?
Excuse me?
Your excuse, sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day.
You too, stay safe.
Thank you.
Six 68906 State versus Jorge Rodriguez, attorney Barry Hitchings.
Very, we're both present, Your Honor. If I can join the list of those conferring.
You are on the list, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Six 68947 State versus Dana Gomez or Dana Gomez, no attorney. Dana Gomez or Dana Gomez, absent. Then we have two add-ons. One for a 130 plea. State versus Marcus Smith, 581216 with Albert Acevedo III as attorney. And 661600, Gary Lee Thayer, Thomas Kaiser as attorney. All right, we'll recall the 130, Tom Kaiser on 661600, Gary Lee Thayer. No response at this time. Mr. Thayer is absent at this time. All right. I think we said that Mr. Barrera had finished his conferring. Where are we on Ed Piker?
Judge, you have, Your Honor, excuse me, you have more add-ons.
Another one, a third one?
You have 3 more add-ons.
All right, I'm not aware of those on my docket. What do you have?
From yesterday, you recall this one, Sarah Lynn Escobedo, 2 cases, 614382.
614382.
That's an ABI.
And what's the first name?
Sarah Lynn Escobedo.
Sarah Lynn, okay. Who's the attorney?
Ray Lopez.
Who?
Ray Lopez.
Ray Lopez. All right, 614382, Sarah Lynn Escobedo. Ray Lopez.
Her second case is 614383. She's an inmate.
I don't hear them answering. Oh, she's in
No.
jail?
She's an inmate, yes, sir, and we're starting that at 10 o'clock.
All right. That's gonna be a plea?
Yes, sir, it's a JSAC and TIC, the second case.
All right. And who else do you have?
At 11 o'clock, Ivan Pina,
So, give me the case number.
571-199.
Name?
Ivan Pina.
Ivan Pineapple. Attorney.
It's Kelly McGinnis or Charles Bunk.
And it's 11, is that a plea also?
Yes, sir.
And, okay. We have the papers on all that?
We should judge by then. And the last one, the other one is 2 p.m.
Say again.
The last add-on is at 2 p.m.
Case number.
646-286.
Defendant.
Julia Ruthie Hernandez, and Julia is Jewelia.
Julia Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
What's the middle name?
Ruthie, Ruthie.
Julia Ruthie Hernandez. Who's the defense attorney?
James Hunt.
Is that gonna be a plea also?
No, sir, it's a special hearing. Defendant requested a hearing with you.
Okay. Do we know what kind of hearing it is?
It's regarding her court-appointed attorney, James Hunt.
Alrighty. Okay. Then,
Honor, may I approach?
who is asking?
I'm sorry, this is Paul Smith. I represent Megan Payne. She is
Paul
present on
Smith.
video.
Mr. Smith,
Page
what case?
1, the case number is 624-553.
624-553. Paul Smith,
Yes, Your
it's
Honor.
Megan Fane, yes, sir?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
What can I do for you?
Well, a couple of things. We are in the process of getting the bond modified in the 186 to get tracking only so that Ms. Fain may continue education and work. The motion's been filed up there. I didn't file it here, I don't believe, or if I did, I don't have a copy of it with me. And I'm hoping that if it is granted in 186, the court will allow the same conditions out of your court.
That would probably be very likely if, we'll wait and see though.
Second thing is we have a felony that is pending, and I do not believe that we can resolve the misdemeanor cases until such time as the felony is tried or dismissed or disposed of.
All right, we're gonna reset you 60 days to give you time to get that worked out.
Very well, Your Honor. And if the
Meantime, if the bond issue is resolved, get in touch with this court and we'll, like I said, most likely we will concur with the federal, the felony court.
May I be excused?
Yes, you are. So is your client.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
You're
great day.
welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Judge Longoria,
Yes,
may I approach?
yes.
Judge, I have a young lady by the name of Maria Guadalupe Ramos Espinosa. We were just hired yesterday. Julie Pollock was the court-appointed attorney. I believe this young lady is set for a plea today, Judge. We would ask for rescheduling of that so I can review discovery. And she also has immigration consequences, Judge.
Are you in touch with Ms. Pollock?
I did leave her a message. I also informed her partner, Mr. Hitchings.
All right. I'll reset this for 30 days at this point.
Thank you, Your Honor. May me and Ms. Maria Ramos Espinosa be excused?
You're both excused, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I approach? This is Andres Campion.
Give me just a moment. I'm making notes here. All right, who is this?
Andres Campion, Your Honor.
Mr. Campion, how are you today?
Doing well, Your Honor. Yourself?
I am well so far. Give me the case number you're
Cause
referring
number
to.
653544, Jonathan Terrell.
653 544. There we are. You were conferring or have you conferred?
I have conferred, Your Honor, and the state is going to reach out to the complainant and see if they feel like they can move forward with or without her.
State to contact complaining witness. And how much time are we looking at?
I would assume just a normal reset for the court.
Okay, we'll reset this then. 30 days.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. My client is online. May we be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too.
Ed Piker, Judge.
Problems with poorly performing products. They say I'm too old. Nothing is going to work. And these are people in their 50s or 60s. So
Patricia, would you mute that person? All right. Ed Piker.
Yes, sir. I was conferring on a Christian Ortiz. They've made an offer. I'd like a reset to that so I can sit down with my client and go over everything and see if he wants to take it or not.
You have a second case too, don't you?
I do. You called it while I was conferring. James Flowers. He told me he was going to be in the courtroom. And that would be confer with Ms. Pollard.
All right. So on Mr. Ortiz.
Yes.
What's the resolution, if any?
Well, if we can get a 30-day reset, I think it'll be resolved, but I have to have a chance to talk to him first and review the offer to see if he wants to do it.
Okay, then I will note reset to review offer 30 days.
All right, thank you on that. And then if I could see Ms. Pollard on Flowers.
All right, we'll make you, Patricia, make Mr. Piker the next person to confer.
Yes, Judge.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Who is it that seeks to approach?
Elizabeth Russell, Judge.
Liz Russell. Yes, ma'am. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you today, Judge?
So far, I'm doing okay. It's a nice morning.
It was a very nice morning.
All right, what you got, Liz?
On page 2, at the very bottom, well, one from the bottom, I'm sorry. I have Matthew Ray Gomez, 638-687.
Gotcha, yes.
Mr. Gomez is present,
Yes, he is.
and we need to confer with the state.
All right. You are on the list to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, may I approach?
May I approach?
Hold on, let's see, Mr. Sierra.
Yes, I conferred with the ADA. We have a deal in place. She's going to send me paperwork. I'd like a short reset to like next week so that I can get that paperwork, which she said I'd get the next couple of days.
Give me
And
a courtesy,
Patty's going to.
do me a courtesy and give me the case number we're referring to.
656-801.
By golly, I found it right away. All right,
Daniel.
we're gonna recall you in 1 week.
Yeah, the 12th would be fine, just so I can get that paperwork from the ADA and from Patty and get that plea done.
Recall 1 week for plea. You and Mr. Creedon are excused on this case. You have anything else, Charles?
No, I do not, Judge. Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Same to you. Bye.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Of course you may.
Thank you. Judge, I just got an offer on my case, so I would ask for a 30-day reset to go over all the discovery and the offer with my client on, it's Andrea Martinez, and it's case number 662159.
662. Six,
159. Excuse me,
Yes.
159.
There it is. And what is it you wish?
I wanted a 30-day reset. I just got an offer from the DA, and I'd like to go over that as well as the discovery with my client. There's pretty much discovery.
How about we give you 21 days?
21 days? Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to push these dockets. We are stacked up. You have no idea.
I understand.
All right. Reset 21 days.
Thank you. May my client and I be excused?
Yes, you may. And thank you for being here on time as always.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
To approach
Your Honor, may I approach?
Gail Calderola. Of course you may. How are you?
Fine, Judge. How are you?
Case number, Gail.
I have 651244. It's Javier Duran. And I just need to, we were waiting on some discovery from the EMS. There's an affidavit on file in this case. And I just need to speak with the prosecutor.
65.
It's 651244.
I don't. Patty, do you see that somewhere?
It's on page 3, Judge.
Oh.
Daniel Duran.
Yes, yeah.
644302.
Ah, the old tricking with the wrong number, Gail.
I know. Let me look here. This used to be in County Court 13.
Daniel Duran.
I have 651.
It's Xavier Duran.
It's
Xavier
Javier.
IER. Yes, with an X.
Well, we have.
I'm here too,
Daniel
Your Honor.
Duran.
Daniel Duran. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, we got Daniel Duran, right?
No, what we're speaking about is for Xavier Duran with an X. Xavier IER space Duran DURAN.
And his middle name is Dominic. And my
Yes.
case number is 651244.
Okay, so we have a little bit of a mix-up, Patricia.
Because this was in County Court 13, I thought. And I mean, I thought it maybe it got.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
the person that Gail Calderola has today on today's docket is Daniel Duran Jr., case number 644302.
Right. That's what the docket says.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Gail.
there's appears to be a Javier Duran that's answering or trying to.
What's the case number, Miss Gail?
The case number that I thought was on the docket was 651244, but I'm going to look in 644302 and it's Daniel Duran. Let me look.
Xavier Duran is assigned to County Court 13, set for trial December 10th, 2021.
That's what I thought.
13, County Court 13.
December when, 10th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me look for Danielle.
Javier, you hear what we're saying?
Yes, I'm here. I'm present. And I do, it is the 12th of December, or excuse me, the 10th of December. I do know that as well.
There you are. Okay, then you're excused at this point. You don't need to be here. And Gail, we need to find or produce Daniel.
Daniel, and I will, Your Honor. I have his
He's-
email here.
He's
I've
there,
spoken-
Judge.
Yeah, he's
Where's
here
Daniel?
in the corner.
I'm here, Judge.
All right. So we have the two Duranes, huh? All right. Gail, what are your wishes this morning?
I need to talk to the prosecutor.
All righty. Then we will put you on the line for conferring. It's moving pretty quickly, but stick around.
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Apologize for the mix-up.
Not to worry.
Your Honor, I'm back from a conferring and I'd like to speak to my client, Gabriel Dominguez.
Michael White.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the case number, Mike?
666, 266.
Six, six, six.
That's
266.
That's right, Your Honor.
Baby, can I borrow your?
Adriel Dominguez. All right. You wish to confer with your client, you said?
That's right, Your Honor.
Patricia, would you place Mr. White and Mr. Dominguez in breakout?
I'm not sure what Mr. Dominguez is under.
Adriel Dominguez. Adriel Dominguez.
He has answered earlier, Your Honor. I don't know.
I thought he did.
Yes. Is he gone?
Hello.
The case of the missing client. All right, well, we'll have to wait around a little bit. If you find him or you get in touch with him by some other means, let us know.
Will do, Your Honor.
Can I approach Judge Angela Blake?
Angela Blake, is it possible?
Morning.
Is this the late Angela Blake?
I'm here.
How are you, Angela?
Good, good. How are you doing, Judge?
I hope I never offend you because I like picking on you.
All good. I have 624-171 Richard Lopez.
624-171 Richard Lopez. Yes, ma'am.
Like a trial setting, please.
Trial setting. Patricia?
Judge?
Place Richard Lopez on trial setting.
Okay, it's November 12th or December 3rd.
Let's go December 3rd.
All right. You have anything
And that's
else,
a
Angela?
Friday. Oh, just to clarify, that's a Friday, so it's a call docket or?
Yes, ma'am. We're not gonna have people show up at the last minute and announce that they're not ready. They're gonna have to let me know ahead of time.
Okay. And does my client need to be present on that sitting?
Good question. What do you think, Patty?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
you,
in
Judge.
case they have a plea worked out, Judge.
I hear you. I agree with you. All right. You're excused, Ms. Blake. Did you have another case?
That's it.
Then you and Mr. Lopez are excused for the day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Judge,
you.
may I approach? This is Attorney Renee Munoz. I have a brief announcement before the court.
Renee Munoz, give me a case number.
Page 3, Your Honor, 645853.
Four, five.
Allison.
853. Long.
Yes, Judge, she is present. Did confer with the state. They're willing to dismiss the case upon her doing a class. I would request 45 days in order to get that class done so we can resolve this case and get it off the docket.
By golly, you a smooth talker, you. Reset 45 for dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor. I appreciate my client not be excused for this morning.
Is this the only case you have today?
I had another one, Judge, Dolores Salinas, on page
Did
6.
she ever appear?
She never appeared, Judge, unfortunately. I wanted to get some time to speak with her. It was the arraignment date today. I still need to follow up with pretrial services to see if they have any additional numbers for her.
You want to give me her case number again?
That one, Judge.
Page 6, 668-835.
Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
668-835. It is right now 10:03. Calling Dolores Salinas. Failure to appear. All right.
Yes, Judge. If I get in contact with her, I'll let the court know immediately.
Producer, within 1 week, there will be no warrant. Of course, the contrary is also true. If you do not produce her within a week, there will be a warrant.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Judge.
Mr. Munoz.
Thanks, Judge. Appreciate it. Bye.
Howdy, this
Judge,
is.
Judge, may I approach?
Ms. Ayon, of course you may.
Judge, I just wanted to check in for Crystal Boston. I believe you had asked us to come back around. She already applied to pretrial diversion and we already signed the agreement. We're just waiting for the DA's signature. It's already been resubmitted or sent back to Beatrice Chavez.
You want to give me a case number?
Judge.
Yes.
Crystal Boston is assigned to County Court 12. Case number is 637-823.
Down there as soon as this is over. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. And
Marisa?
Down here and watch it.
Yes.
It's assigned to County Court 12.
Log me in or something.
The next setting is November 1st.
I'm gonna just go down there and turn in my paperwork and
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that then. I'll have Miss Boston log off then.
Thank you, Ms. Ayon.
Thank you.
Judge, just said Piker when you have a chance.
Yes, sir, Mr. Piker.
On James Flowers, I spoke to the prosecutor. They reiterated their offer. I'm gonna go over it with my client, but I think you can give us a date for a plea. Sooner, maybe next week.
How about giving me a case number?
Oh, sure. 644-032.
644-032 at Piker with
James Flowers.
Please leave your message for 210
James Flowers.
127-814.
Recall 1 week.
We do it Wednesday, Judge, next week, the 13th.
Recall Wednesday.
Thank you.
13th.
Thank you.
For plea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ed.
My client's excused from the courtroom.
You are both excused, Mr. Piker.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
And Joe Stenberg's trying again.
Joe Stenberg.
Yes, sir. We have two cases. Claudia Coronado needs to be both set on the trial docket. The case numbers are 634-348.
I got 634-348. Talk to me about that first.
Trial docket.
You want it on the trial docket. Six, 348. That is Claudia Coronado.
Yes, sir.